Hi everyone, it's Marie from Skeletorama again. Welcome back to my channel. So how's everybody? I am just doing a short little video today because I noticed that I have passed 2,000 subscribers, which I think is pretty cool. So well done. Thanks so much, everybody. I'm glad a lot of people are finding some of this stuff useful, and I'm glad that people are subscribing, even though I'm not the most consistent of uploaders. So apologies for that. I am trying. So what I thought to do, a lot of people will do giveaways and things like that. I'm not one of those people that ever wins anything, and it's always a bummer. So I'm always like, cool giveaway that I'm not going to win, so why bother, right? So I'm going to take a page from Era's book, except mine's not going to be quite as cool, but I am going to do a giveaway that everybody can have. You don't have to subscribe in order to do it. You don't have to say anything in the comment. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. If you want to just take it and run, do so. Have fun, enjoy it. But I wanted to give back something. This is something that has never been released. It's not on my Etsy shop. It's not going to be on my Etsy shop. That's the worst, especially if you do a lot of kits and stuff and then you put up a kit where it's like, oh, but I just paid for that. That's kind of messed up. So anyways, this is a freebie. So some of you, if you watched my older videos, might remember this. This is a little faux book box. Watch me not be able to get it open. Here we go. That I turned into a pantry, right? And so it's got all these little cans in here and all these little boxes of food. And I'll try to figure out how to do the little iCard deal, so that there's a link to that video where I show you how to make these. But the can kit is probably by far my most popular kit on Etsy. It's really popular. It's this one here. In case you haven't seen it, I'll put a link if you want to get a copy of it. Put a link to my Etsy one down below. So it's got the cans, it's got the little lids. And I've had several people, since I did this, ask, but what about all the little boxes of stuff? Well, here they are. Boom. This is what my giveaway is going to be. So I'm going to have a link in the description box below. I know I can't put them on Etsy for free because they make you charge at least the charge to put the listing up or something, and I don't want anybody to have to pay anything for this. But this is the set of boxes. These are the boxes that you see in these thing here. I had to take like one out just to fit everything. But so we have the boxes. These are them printed on just regular copy paper, but I do suggest maybe you use, this is brochure paper. Kind of ignore the colors because me and my printer just we don't talk very good. You know, we don't get along. It doesn't listen to me. But anyways, the brochure paper, it's really glossy. And it's real sturdy and it's real good for boxes, or you can use cardstock. If you're going to make boxes out of them, I really would not suggest using copy paper unless you're going to maybe put it on some lightweight chipboard and score the chipboard in the back when you fold them, because you will hate life, right, if you do that. Plus the colors just don't come out as good. I think the colors come out better on the glossy or on the cardstock than they do on this. So anyways, that is that. So like I said, this is going to be available. This is not ever going to be a kit on my Etsy. I will eventually do another kit, I think, with some more cans and some different boxes. But this particular one is just for you guys as a way to say thank you for joining me and watching all these videos where I ramble on for a really, really long time. So anyways, that will be in the description box below. You'll just click on the link for the Dropbox. I'm going to have it as a JPEG and as a PDF, so it just depends on what you're more comfortable using. And yeah, it's free, so enjoy it. And if you want to subscribe, cool, that'll be great, because what I'd like to do is when I hit those milestones, have something else like that I can do for you guys. So hey, the more the merrier, and then that stuff will come faster, I guess, which means I'll actually have to get off my butt and make some stuff. I haven't made a new kit for Etsy in a really long time. Speaking of things I haven't done in a really long time, videos, just know I am editing one right now wherein I put this together. So I am kind of on it. It's taken me a while with the health stuff, but that is getting better. It's just my work schedule is going to go crazy for about a month, and then things will mellow out, and hopefully I'll be back to doing a lot more videos. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy that. Again, I'll have the video link below for the cans, where I did the cans in the boxes, and I put them in this thing here. So anyways, thanks a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Beannachd. Bye.